It was indeed a day of choppy trade for U.S. stocks, this as strong economic data clashed with Federal Reserve comments which pushed the Dow Jones well into the red, approaching today's closing bell. Now, in economic reports, today's results were mostly strong. This after initial jobless claims figures fell by 22,000 to come in at 405,000. Retail sales unexpectedly rising 0.1%. Business inventories also on the upside 1%. However, producer prices did slide a total of 0.4%. Now, these results when combined push the big board into the green early. However, those gains were short-lived. This after Moody's put the United States AAA credit rating on review for a downgrade, while Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke stressed today that the Federal Reserve has no specific plans to implement more easing. And of the 2.5 billion shares trading today at the New York Stock Exchange, roughly 23% were in the green and about 76% were in negative territory. Now, taking a look to see how the Dow Jones has closed out today's trading session, the Dow is down a total of 54.49 points to settle in at 12,437.12. Now, in a breakdown of today's major market movers, we first begin with shares of JPM rising 2.7% after reporting a better than expected second quarter earnings results. Shares of ConocoPhillips also on the upside, roughly 1.7%. This after announcing plans to split its refining and marketing business into two different companies by the end of the first half of 2012. Shares of Yum Brands also rising 1.6%. This after posting strong second quarter earnings on revised upward sales figures in China. However, shares of Marriott International taking a drop this session, more than 7%. This after the hotel operator gave a disappointing outlook. And just after today's closing bell, continuing with earnings, we saw Google, and it was impressive as it reported an earnings per share of $8.74 per share versus the $7.85 expected, and its revenue came in at $6.92 billion compared to the $6.55 expected.